This is our 4-high finishing, numerical control 10P rolling mill. Transmission structures using motors and gears. The min thickness of gold can be 0.005 millimeter. The rolling effect of precious metals is different. With 4 heads, pressing and collecting, at the same time, cut production time in half. Let's see the CNC details. Clear button design helps you control, efficiently and work easily. This is left material collecting. Adjust the tension in there. This can control the direction of the middle roller. Press yellow to rolling left. When switching direction, be sure to press the stop button first. Then press green bottom, the roller runs right. Equipped with CNC technology, offers unrivaled accuracy. Set parameters more easily. The details of panels. Up, adjusts the automatic upward distance. Down, adjust the automatic descending distance. This is the speed of the motor, no setting is required. When the roller cannot go down, click 0 clearing to return to 0. When problem occurs, press the alarm to reset. Control the roller forward and return, here. When the sheet is too thin, you can step on the pedal to stop the work, and grab it more easily. Our machine works smarter, safer. Welcome to contact us for more details.